Saudi Arabia's geography explained in 10 or 5 minutes. Saudi Arabia is a rich country having $1.4 trillion and oil rich and gas, but also this country is religious, like really religious, but it's collapsing due to countries like United States, Russia, UK, France, telling them to give them oil and gas. So most likely in 2040 they're gonna get turn into provinces, like they're collapsing. Also, they're not they're like surrounding countries like Bahrain and Qatar, which has nowhere to go, like they don't have anywhere. So they're forced to go in ships and planes, not on cars, because Qatar doesn't really have a good relationship with Saudi Arabia, and also United States is its best ally, not the United States. And Saudi Arabia still has good relations with United States and Russia, but their northest point is connected to Jordan and Iraq. Like it's like an important line, like triple country border, and this is a checkpoint between 3 countries. Also, they have good relationships with Egypt, Sudan, and every Arab country. Hope you know every Arab country, but doesn't have good relationships with Qatar, or doesn't have good relationships with like Syria, and doesn't have good relationships with Yemen, and Iran, which isn't technically an Arab country, but its biggest rival. But I don't know. Wait, never mind. But they're like full of deserts. Like they're planning mega projects, like the 2030 Jeddah Tower, and also the Cube, and they're also planning a fourth build. Like how are they gonna do that? Like half of the country is gonna turn into a forest, but this is almost impossible because it's a desert. Almost every part of it is a desert. But they're also planning the line, which I don't know what's about, but it's mostly gonna be in Neon. Neon is also like a mega project, and skiing mega project, which is gonna be in 4 years. The other ones is gonna be in 5 years, but in Neon it's gonna be a city mega project. But there's also a playground. Like they made a playground, which is a mega project. I think I know why, because they have like roller coasters and water park, and even cars, and it's already done. Like this country is literally so good, but they also have good relationship with the BRICS and the NATO and the EU. Like how is that possible? Are they just neutral or something? But I'm not hating in this country because I'm from Jordan, and Jordan is actually a very good relationship with like Saudi Arabia. But it also but it doesn't have good relationships with Myanmar. Like this country hates the whole middle. I mean the Arab countries, like except the except no, never mind. But that's Saudi Arabia explained in 5 minutes. I guess we got 5 minutes, not 10 minutes. So bye guys, and make sure to subscribe, like and share. Bye.